Hi guys, so I arrived to my host home. Well, I actually found a host online through couch surfing, and he is very nice. He hosted me for 4 nights. On the first 3 days he won't be here, but his 2 diver friends will be here. Tomorrow I will be all by myself alone. Anyway, today I just came from Auckland, and I took buses from Auckland to Hikuai, to this nice countryside. This place is so freaking nice. So much better than Auckland, because Auckland was like too much for me, very noisy. I couldn't really relax, and I stayed in the hostel in Auckland. Everyone was nice and the hostel was clean, but it's just the noise, I couldn't handle it. So right now I'm so glad I'm here. It's so quiet, feel this peacefulness of the nature. I'm surrounded by the nature of New Zealand. After I took the bus to Hikuai gas station, I hitchhiked to this place. It's pretty much my first official hitchhiking in a foreign country, because I've never done it before, and people here are super nice and it's relatively safe here. I feel this environmental safeness. Just gonna enjoy my later 4 days here. Hopefully I'll meet the host later, and let's see. There's some wild turkey. It's so cute with baby chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here I am again. I'm gonna show you guys those fearless, those anxious cow. They were following me everywhere and yelling to me loudly. Look at them. When I was walking around up that hill over the way here, and they look so anxious, like they want food, and like I'm in their food. I was very much worried about that they were gonna attack me, because it seems like they're just trying to follow me in group. That's some scary thing. But after I talked to those people inside the house, they say those cows, they just wanna get to a new, fresh, green grassland. That's all they want. So they want somebody to open the gates for them and lead them to another little farm. I thought they were gonna attack me or wanted to run into me. If there were not the fence in front, they're gonna probably kill me. But eventually they're not. Oh, look, they all stare at me. I don't think it's curiosity, but they just want something from me. I wonder, can I be able to pet them, but they're so big. I don't know. I never had experience with cows before. For the tomorrow, I will be taught of how to take care of those cows. Well, I just lead them to other grassland, that's all. They're cute and scary at the same time, because the size of them are big. And should I get close walking to them? Oh my god, the one with the horn, they're like gonna charge into me and run into me. I'm just imagine those horns would be sticking into my arm or some part of my body. That sounds scary. Hi guys, what's up? It's my second day here, so I am taking for a walk to the waterfall that 2 friends of the host told me. It's about 10 to 15 minutes one way. So see you guys there. What a beautiful day. So right now I am in the cow's farm, and I don't know where all the cows are. I can see a lot of poop, cow's poop around me. I'm not sure, can you see, be able to see some turkeys up in far away view. So yeah, this is me walking on the hill, and it's very steep. So you can see, it's very steep. But continue walking. Getting more closer and closer to those turkeys. They're black in color, but they're supposed to be brownish black. I should get across of this fence way earlier ahead. Not too until now, but maybe, you know what, maybe I can cross over. I just hope those, wow, that's very sharp. I'm going to hop over. Oh god, the electric. They are electric. I just got shocked a teeny bit. Okay, as I walk along the fence there to here, and I came to the stream of river, and there's a gate. Let's see, can I open it or not? Okay, that was fairly easy. I just crossed over at the corner, and but I'm still up from the river though, from the stream river. And look at those poop on the ground. There's still cows farm, more fence. So how did I really get down there? I mean, seriously, I am just gonna to keep walking. Already just came from up there, and now I am kind of down here. And look at this road. It's supposed to be a stream of river here. Looks like cows walk here as well. Their trail. It's so dry up now. Oh, there's a waterfall, but there's no water because it's a dry season. Cool. So cows, they come here to watch the waterfall. Actually, I think it's to drink, but the water looks not moving, so it's kind of gross. That would be awesome if there's waterfall coming down, if there's water. Yeah, but they can drink this kind of water. It looks really dirty and full of bacteria because it's not moving. Oh, it would be so cool to rock climb there. So here I am in this small waterfall. Man, look at this road. It's probably walked out by the cows all the way up. Look at that. How are you supposed to call the animal? Cute. Raccoon. So here's the final glance of the waterfall, with sun shining on it. As you can see behind me, this place is right by the road, so there are cars honking around. So now I'm heading back. Well, look at what I found. Some turkey feather. They're pretty big in size. Gonna cross this wood. A little bit scary here. Well, it's thick enough to hold me up. Okay. Right now I'm outside the fence. Come on, I want to get into the fence. Shoot, it's electric. How can I get inside? So, the only way for me is to walk up to the bridge, go back to the bridge, damn, and then walk back. Okay, that's the other side. It's gonna get dark probably in half, or I still gonna know it. I don't know, but I'm gonna head back. See you guys next time.